everyone. I Sugandh Bala Singh from Yes Convent Senior Secondary School, Saurmau, Sultanpur. Students, today I will explain you the respiration in human beings. Students, in previous video lecture, we have already discussed about the what is breathing and the differences between breathing and respiration, and the type of respiration, that is aerobic respiration and the anaerobic respiration. Okay students, and the breakdown of glucose in various pathway means in presence of oxygen, absence of oxygen, and the lack of oxygen. Okay students, today I will explain you the respiration in human being. Okay students, so first of all we will discuss about the respiratory organ in different animals. Respiratory organ in animals. Students, in different animals have different respiratory organs. Okay, that's like first number lungs. First number lungs is a main respiratory organ in many organisms like animals, human being, lizard, animals, human being, lizard, and frog. When frog present on the earth, student, in frog there are two respiratory organ. One is lungs and other is skin. When frog present on the earth, they use the lungs for the respiration, and when frog present in water, they use the skin for the respiration. Okay students, next number gills. Gills is a main respiratory organ of aquatic animals, mostly fishes. So the gills used for the respiration in fishes. Okay student, third number is skin. Skin used for respiration in frog when it present in the water, and earthworm, and the next number tracheal tube. Fourth number tracheal tube used as a respiratory organ in insects and cockroach. Okay student, and the body surface is also used as a respiratory organs in prokaryotic animals, or you can say very small unicellular animals, and in plants stomata, which is present in leaf. Stomata is a bean shaped structure. It has guard cell which regulate the opening and closing of the stomata, and by the stomata there are three functions of stomata: transpiration of water, gaseous exchange, transportation of water, and the absorption of sunlight. So here stomata in plant, stomata which is present in leaf, play an important role in the respiration. Okay student, plant. So students, here many organs which is works as a respiratory organ in different animals, that is lungs, which is play an important role in respiration in animals, human being, lizard and frog when it present on the land. Second is gills is a main respiratory organ in fishes. And third is skin play an important role in respiration in frog when it is present in the water. And the earthworm and the tracheal tube, insects and cockroach. And the body surface works as the respiratory organ in many small organisms like unicellular organism. And in plants, stomata is a respiratory organ in plants which is present in leaf. So in plants the respiratory organ is stomata. Okay students, now we will discuss about the respiration in human beings. Respiration in human beings. Okay students, respiration in human beings. Students, you know very well, in previous video lecture we have already discussed respiration is a cellular process and gaseous exchange is a part of respiration. In human being there are many organs are participate in respiration, that is called respiratory organs. Students, organs which is participate in respiration, that is called respiratory organ. So here many organs participate in respiration, that is nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, alveoli and lungs. Students, there we can say we can divide the organs in two parts, supportive organs and main organ. Okay students, so the supportive organs of respiration, supportive organs of respiration, that is nostril, that is first nostril, or you can say nasal cavity, nostril or nasal cavity. Second number pharynx, third number larynx, third number is larynx, fourth number windpipe, or you can say trachea. The other name of windpipe is trachea. Okay student, trachea and trachea further divided into bronchi, fifth number. So here trachea, from nostril to trachea, you can say the supportive organ of the respiration. And the next main organ of respiration, that is lungs, So students, I will explain you one by one every organs which is participate in the respiratory system. Okay students, first number is nostril. Students, opening of nose in outer side opening of nose, that is called nostril. You can say two holes outer side of nose which is opens in outer side, that is called nostril. And the cavity of nose is called nasal cavity, and in nasal cavity hairs and mucus are present, which is filter the air which is filters the air and blocks the dust and germs particles in preventing in our body. Students, in nasal cavity, hairs and mucus are present which filters the air and trapping the dust and germs which is present in the air. Okay student, it means it protects our body from the dust and the germs. Okay student, next number pharynx. Next number pharynx. Students, you can say the location of pharynx. Students, in pharynx both pipe, windpipe and food pipe, windpipe and food pipe, both pipes open in the pharynx. It means pharynx is the common place of digestive system and the respiratory system, means windpipe and food pipe opens in the pharynx, and from pharynx windpipe and food pipe separate to each other and they forms the digestive tract and the respiratory tract. Okay students, next number larynx. Larynx, or you can say voice box. You can say voice box. The role of larynx, it controls the pitch of sound. It controls the pitch of sound. Okay student, and the next, a tube like structure that is called trachea or windpipe. Trachea or windpipe, it helps to passes the air from nose to the lungs. It is a passes pipe to transfer the air from nose to the lungs. Trachea, around the trachea are cartilaginous rings are present. Cartilaginous rings are present means a rings present which is made up of cartilage, and the function of rings of cartilage, it prevent the trachea from collapsing, means अगर विंड पाइप कोलैप्स हो जाएगी तो सफोकेशन से उस ऑर्गेनिज्म की क्या हो जाती है, डेथ हो जाती है. तो इस वजह से विंड पाइप कोलैप्स ना हो पाए, ये जो रिंग्स ऑफ कार्टिलेज पाया जाता है ये कोलैप्सिंग से विंड पाइप को क्या करती है, प्रोटेक्ट करती है. ओके स्टूडेंट, देन आफ्टर ट्रैकिया डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स. Trachea divided into two parts. Bronchi. One bronchi goes to left lungs and the one bronchi goes to right lungs. Okay student, and bronchi also further divided into many branches, that is called bronchioles. And the end of bronchioles, here many grapes like structures are present which is known as alveoli. Means alveoli is a plural form. A singular form is alveolus. Same here, bronchus is singular form. In plural we can say bronchi. Okay student, so here trachea divided two parts, bronchi, left bronchi and right bronchi, and bronchi also further divided into many parts which is known as bronchioles, and the end of bronchioles there are many grapes like, or you can say balloon like structures are present which is known as alveoli, and alveoli is the main site for the gaseous exchange. Okay student, I hope you understand very well the organ of the humans which is participate in the respiration. Okay student, now I will explain you the gaseous exchange in alveoli. Okay, students, alveoli, I explain you it is grapes like structure. It is grapes like, or you can say balloon like structure. Okay, student. So suppose it is the structure of alveoli. Okay, student. And here the trachea. Okay, student. Trachea, in trachea, air, B intakes the air from atmosphere, and in atmosphere percentage of gases means carbon dioxide 0.04%, 0.4%. Percentage of carbon dioxide 0.4% and oxygen 21%. Okay, students. And in blood, which is deoxygenated blood, because blood comes in alveoli for the gaseous exchange. So here deoxygenated blood, and in deoxygenated blood percentage of carbon dioxide is high and the percentage of oxygen is low. Here percentage of carbon dioxide is low and the percentage of oxygen is high. So students, you know very well, by the process of diffusion, gaseous exchange done in the alveoli, and in the process of diffusion materials moves from the higher concentration to the lower concentration. Okay, student. So here in alveoli percentage of carbon dioxide is more comparison to oxygen, so carbon dioxide moves toward exit out or towards trachea, and here the percentage in air, the percentage of oxygen is higher, and in alveoli percentage of oxygen is low, so here oxygen moves inside the alveoli. So student, by the process of diffusion, gases exchange means carbon dioxide remove out and the oxygen trap from the alveoli and transfer to the blood and transported by the blood each and every cell of the human body. Okay, students. So here one point also discuss the passage of gases in human body. Okay, student. First, air from environment by the nose. First air comes in nose, then after pharynx, and from pharynx it goes to larynx. It is a voice box, it controls the pitch of sound, larynx, and from larynx it goes to bronchi to bronchioles, and from bronchioles it goes to alveoli, and from alveoli it goes to left auricle to left ventricle, from left ventricle to aorta. Aorta is a vein which is attached to the left ventricle, and through the aorta it goes to arteries, and arteries to organ and each and every cell. Okay, student. So here path of air which is transported by the nose to the each and every cell. Student, I hope you will understand very well the respiratory system in human being, and the next portion, circulatory system, we will discuss in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.